Hi everyone, this is Annalisa. Welcome back. So a few weeks ago, I got a awesome package that had the new ColourArte Vivid Intense Fluorescent Fluid Acrylics, and I've really been enjoying testing those out since I got them. I've put them in pretty much every pour that I've done over the last several weeks. I thought it would be really fun to test out using a marble with them. Now, I've used a marble before, but it's been a really long time since I've even tried, so I actually had to go buy marbles in order to do this project. I started out putting my fluorescent Vivid Intense colors on the bottom. I started out with 3 of them. I had fluorescent green, fluorescent red violet, and fluorescent pink. In the past, I've had really good success with having the really bright, bold colors at the bottom. They always seem to poke through under when you put them under dark colors really well, and I'd planned on using some dark colors on top. So, I am a ColourArte affiliate. If you use my coupon code ACOX422, you can save 20% off at ColourArte.com. And it does work in conjunction with the sale that's going on over there right now. So, in doing this, I also discovered, well, it was something I already knew, but it was something that kind of became glaringly obvious as I was doing this. I have decided that I absolutely love squeeze bottles for my colors. I'm working on transitioning over to all squeeze bottles, but when I'm testing out new colors, I like to mix up a small 1 or 2 ounce amount first, just to make sure that I am going to use all of the colors. Sometimes I find that I enjoy mixing my colors in with other colors more than I do just having all of one green or all of one pink, and so I mix up small amounts because then I can mix them together a lot easier. And then after I've decided which are my favorite colors, then I mix up larger batches and then I go from there. So when I was getting ready to swipe, I remembered that I knew I had something going on with my cell activator, and it was just I remembered it taking a little bit longer for cells to develop the last time that I had tried it. So I wanted to test it out. And this is something that's really important to know. You can test out a little tiny blow on the corners of your paintings, because that's paint that's going to slide off of your canvas. So it works out really well. I had tested it out, it didn't work, tested it out again. It still wasn't quite there, but it was almost there, so I added a little bit more, and that was the magic key right there. I absolutely love doing the spin swipes, especially with that palette knife in particular. They always just come out so much more fun. I like some of the other palette knives, but the spin swipe one just always seems to work the best. I will put a link in the description for the one that I'm using. And because I didn't have enough cell activator on my palette knife initially, I had to go back in and do additional swipes. And I had leveled out my cell activator with a smaller palette knife, so I just went in and wiped it on there and figured I'd call it and see if I could get any additional cells there. And as usual, if you have any areas where where the cells haven't fully formed, you can go in and blow on it. So before I even put my marble down, I banged the living daylights out of this canvas because I wanted to get as many bubbles up and popped as I possibly could. The first thing that I noticed was this disturbed my paint a lot more than I ever remembered marbles doing in the past, and I'm not used to having so much white peeking through. So as I was swirling it, I was kind of horrified, thinking I had just ruined that beautiful spin swipe, and I was really kind of I was really disappointed, and I figured at that point I might as well just keep going and test it out. And I'm so glad that I did, because by the end of it, I was super in love with what I came out with. It really does just go to show you that if you keep pushing through, sometimes it really does work out and you come out with some beautiful paintings at the end. Anyway, that's my spin swipe marble something. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing. And stay tuned. At the end of this video, I have included information about the ColourArte educational event that's coming up April 16th. I look forward to seeing you all there. Thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful day. Are you ready for a burst of color and creativity?
Look no further than ColourArte's quarterly educational event for spring.
Do you mean the Abundance of Color educational event?
Yes, featuring 16 artists, premiering April 16th, live on YouTube.
This is the perfect opportunity for you to learn some new techniques.
Connect with fellow artists and be inspired by a variety of styles.
Each YouTube artist will be hosting their own premieres live,
where you can ask questions about tips and tricks.
And the best part? You get to win prizes in every single artist channel,
including a mega prize of a $400 shopping spree.
You just need to watch all 16 Premiere Live videos.
Write down the secret words that form the secret phrase.
Using high quality paints and pigments from ColourArte will make your art come alive.
Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your skills
and win amazing prizes.
Sign up now for ColourArte's Abundance of Color educational event. Don't forget to click the link in the description. See you on April 16th, so make sure you mark the day.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there. See you there.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there.